Well, earlier in the program, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson about harvest health and some of the challenges that producers deal with this time of the year. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share. Taryn is standing by now with more.
We always love it when it's Wednesday and our CommonGround volunteers come in the studio, because then we get to try what you make.
Well, that's my favorite part too, because I like trying new stuff, but it's just me and Tom most of the time. And Tom gets tired of eating the same thing if I do like really big things. So
what do you call this today?
it's an apple roll-up. I mean, it's apple raisins, pecans, because I like pecans. But yeah, it's kind of like apple pie for breakfast.
Okay, love it.
So we just have sugar. I've got Granny Smith apples because I like those, but
Okay.
you could use a different apple if you like. I added cinnamon and nutmeg, just because I like that flavor combination.
Okay.
This calls for breadcrumbs, which I think kind of helps keep it from kind of getting runny and goopy. We like raisins. Tom likes raisins in almost anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he really does, and I like pecans. So,
Yeah.
But you could use walnuts. You could not use raisins. You could do cranberries if you wanted
Oh,
to.
I like the cranberries idea.
Try the cranberries, and then once you get it rolled out, all you do is you just dump it on the puff pastry. I did learn last night, let the puff pastry sit out just a little longer.
Oh.
Otherwise it breaks. And then just roll this out, just lay it out flat.
Spread this all out?
Yeah, spread it all the way out.
Okay.
And then I keep the wrapper on the puff pastry just because it helps roll it a little bit better. And then you just roll it up and it bakes for 35-40 minutes. Oh, you're supposed to brush it with melted butter before you do anything else, before it goes in the oven. And then I just roll it up like this, and then we'll roll it up backwards, and it'll be ready to bake.
Okay. And again, 350 oven?
Yeah, 350 oven for 35-40 minutes. It depends on your oven, of course, you know, everybody's oven.
Okay, this looks amazing. How do you use it in your home? Like, do you use it for a breakfast?
I've been throwing it in the guys' lunch boxes. So they can kind of have it when they're sitting in line at ADM or Frontier or wherever they happen to be. They can sit there and munch, because this year has been a year of lines. Everywhere we go, they've had lines. So they're getting there early in the morning, and so I'm trying to make sure they've got a fun little treat.
Yep, and this is a good one. It looks like it makes quite a few slices here,
It does, and you can make it how you want it, and you could throw ice cream on it, or
Warm it up in the microwave?
yeah, warm it up in the microwave with a little bit of ice cream on top. Or
okay.
you could drizzle caramel if you want to go really crazy.
It's great, hot or cold. This recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page. If you want to copy it down, try it for yourself. Paula, always great to see you.
It's good to see you too.
Yeah, thanks for coming on. All right, back to you, John.